In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice chat in Grok AI. By the end, you'll feel comfortable opening your Grok account, navigating the home screen, and asking your questions out loud with the Speak feature. Start by opening your Grok account. If you're on desktop, launch your browser and sign in. If you're on mobile, open the Grok app and make sure you're logged in. A stable internet connection helps voice chat feel smooth and responsive. Because voice relies on your microphone, your browser or device may ask for permission the first time you use it. Go ahead and allow access so Grok can hear you. You can always adjust microphone permissions later in your device or browser settings if needed. Once you're in, you'll land on the home screen. This is your main workspace, where you can see the conversation thread and the input field at the bottom. Here, you can type anything you want, questions, prompts, or follow-ups, and send it. Typing is great when you need precision, want to paste text, or prefer to edit before you ask. Think of this space as your flexible starting point, whether you're using text or voice. To switch to voice, look for the Speak button, typically shown as a microphone icon near the input box. Click Speak, then begin talking naturally. Ask your question clearly and include any helpful context, like what you're trying to achieve or the format you want. Speaking at a steady, conversational pace works best. When you're done, click. Speak again to stop. Grok will transcribe what you said and generate a response right on the screen so you can review both the transcription and the answer. A few quick tips can make voice chat even better. Try to minimize background noise and face your microphone or headset for clearer audio. Keep questions focused and specific so Grok can respond precisely. If you need to refine your request, simply click. Speak again and ask a follow-up. Voice works great for back-and-forth conversation. You can switch between typing and speaking at any time, whichever feels faster for the moment. If you run into issues, check that your internet connection is stable and that the Speak button isn't muted or disabled. If you don't see a transcription after speaking, verify that microphone permissions are enabled for your browser or app, then refresh and try again. That's all there is to it. Open your Grok account, use the home screen to type when you want, and for hands-free convenience, click Speak and ask your question out loud.